Hi. Let's make waffles. Dan, do you want to be in my waffle video? We're gonna make waffles.
No, I'm doing Christmas.
I'm doing Christmas too.
I see that, but I'm putting up Christmas decorations.
But you'll eat the waffles, right?
Sure.
Okay. Gonna make waffles.
Is this Waffle making music?
Yeah. Okay, so this is what we're gonna make, these delicious waffles right here, just like in the park. And
are you sure you don't want this in?
I don't want that. It doesn't. Yeah. You don't need that in there. This is the deluxe model. Got at the Disney store. Nice box. Okay. Ooh. Double flip waffle maker. Here we go. I wanted this waffle maker for a really long time. Why do I have the camera so long? Comes with this. Okay, look at that when you open the box. Dan, can you help me? Can you pull it one side? Oops, I just turned on the dishwasher with my hip.
What?
Can you go over there and pull?
Where?
Can you?
Is this what you wanted to see? Is that what you wanted to see right here?
This?
Oh boy.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thanks. Oh my gosh, it's like so heavy duty.
That's about right, people. That's what I hear all the time in here.
Drop the cup. Okay, so here's the thing that you rotate. Okay, during the first few minutes of initial use, you may notice smoke and or slight odor. All right, let's see. Okay, so it says to pour it, oops, in each character, not to overfill. How does that look? Pretty good. Okay, right, and close the lid. Delicious waffles coming up. Don't overfill each cavity like I did.
Cavity?
The character cavity. Okay, now we're gonna rotate. We're making 6 at a time, Dan.
That's 3.
Well, I know, but I did the 3 on the, oops, I did the 3 on the other side.
Hearing oops is very, very common.
Okay.
Did you read the directions?
Yep.
Oh boy. It's kind of steaming. Is that
I know,
normal?
it says that that's normal. There, look at it, looks just like.
Let me see the other side. Is it black?
No.
No. And we wait. How come you have your hat on to make the waffles? Does that help?
Because this is my Mickey waffle making video, so I need a hat. Okay, we're waiting for the beeps to go off, telling us that our waffles are done. I'm getting nervous because I feel like they're done already and they're going to be very well overdone by the time that beep goes off, but I do have it set for lighters, see that? But I'm just gonna trust So I don't know what happened here, but I just opened the lid. Here's 3 waffles and a little extra on the side if you want a pancake. There's my waffle making studio. Mickey Waffle Maker, what do you think, Dan?
It was really great. It looks cool.
Yeah. You mean my video or the waffles?
I think the waffles, the waffle maker